Listen and repeat.
What's your favorite animal?
I really like dolphins.
Dolphins are smart. Have you ever seen them in real life?
No, I haven't, but I hope to someday.
I hope you get to see them. Do you like any other sea creatures?
I also like sea turtles. They're beautiful.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I really like math.
Math is interesting. What do you like about it?
I enjoy solving puzzles and equations.
That's a great skill.
How about you?
I like history. Learning about the past is fascinating.
Do you have a favorite historical period?
I like learning about ancient civilizations.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas. It's so festive and joyful.
Christmas is wonderful. What do you like most about it?
I enjoy decorating the Christmas tree. Decorating is a lot of fun. How about you?
I like Halloween. Dressing up in costumes is cool.
Halloween costumes are creative.
What did you do last weekend?
I went hiking in the mountains.
Sounds fun. Did you see any wildlife?
Yes, I saw some birds and a squirrel.
That's cool. What did you do?
I went to a park and had a picnic.
Nice. What did you eat?
I had sandwiches and fruit.
What's your morning routine?
I wake up, brush my teeth, and take a shower.
That's a good routine. Do you have breakfast?
Yes, I usually have toast and coffee.
A classic breakfast.
What's your favorite way to start the day?
I like to start with a morning jog.
Exercise is a great way to start the day.